Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at drawing a slightly more complicated isometric drawing. As you can see, what we've got here is as a basic cube. From the left hand side of the cube we've got a slightly smaller cube. All the dimensions that you need are actually around the outside, and then on the right hand side we've got this isometric triangle. So first thing it says is beginning at the Y mark on your page, so here, that's basically this front corner. So it's a very similar start to how we started on our first isometric drawing. So what we're going to do to start with, you can see it needs to be 60 millimeters, so we know that that's going to be 60 millimeters, that length's going to be 60, and that one's there. We've actually already got a grid on our page, which is a 10 millimeter grid, so we don't need to even measure. All we need to do is from the center measure out, so that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Again, put our ruler on our grid line. What you might want to do on this one is just do it really faint to start with. It does say that in the instructions. I'm doing it a little bit darker so you guys can see it. So again, I then come from this point, and we know that that length is 60 as well. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Again, draw a nice faint line. The height of ours is, so again, start from here, we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we start off with that sort of Y shape that all our isometric drawings should start with. Once we've done that, we're then going to start looking at producing the cube here. Obviously we can't see it because it's triangle, but we need to sketch it in. So again, coming from our bottom line here, we're then going across our grid, our 30-degree angle grid line. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots in. Again, just faintly put this line. Like I say, I'm doing it a bit darker than normal, just so you guys can see it. Again, from this point we go along this grid line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then once we've done that, we can then start thinking about joining these vertical lines. Again, you can't see these lines, but we need to construct them on our drawing first. So we're going to come down there. Again, making sure we're following the lines on the isometric grid. So again, all these vertical lines must be vertical. We're then going to finish off just by putting these top two lines in. So again, go from the end, follow the grid, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. And we've got our basic outline of this 60 by 60 cube finished.